guys, welcome back for the second part of this unboxing. It's more like an unzipping, but let's see what we have in here. They call this the Neewer, and what it is, and here's the QR code for anybody who's interested. It is a stand with wheels on it that should allow me to take some really good pictures with how cool is that? Opens up really easily like that. You put your tripod on it and it's nice and stable, and you can move it around, and I do believe you can stop the wheels from turning by just pushing these down, maybe, I don't know, something like that. We'll read the instructions and I'll let you know. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you soon.